In this video, I will show you how you can share audio with AirPods from your iPhone or your iPad. Now to share audio from your iPhone to any other AirPod, first of all, just open the lid of your primary AirPod and pair your AirPods with your iPhone. As you can see, our AirPods has been already paired. Now after you pair your primary AirPods, then just open the control center on your iPhone, and from here just tap on the output device icon. Now after you arrive on this page, just select the name of your AirPods from here, and after that just tap on the share audio icon. Now after you arrive on this page, then just open the lid of the second AirPod and you will find the name of your second AirPod over here. But if you cannot find the name of your second AirPod over here, just double tap on the LED on your AirPods case until it starts blinking white. Or if you have an AirPods Pro as I have over here, just press and hold on the button at the back of your AirPods until the LED starts blinking white. Once the LED starts blinking white, you will see the name of the AirPods in this section. Just select Share Audio. And after you do that, you will be able to share the audio from your iPhone to any other AirPod. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.